let me tell you how this works. Hey, I'm Daria and I would like to welcome you to the Wonder Wardrobe video course. 10 years ago I was in Milan practicing my image consulting and personal shopping skills on clients of all ages and from all walks of life. And what struck me back then, and it still does now, is that how we all struggle to make sense of our wardrobes on a daily basis. Personal image and how we express it through clothes is not an easy thing to do. That's why I've condensed the best professional tips into this video course you are about to take. But before you dive in, I would like you to know why this course is not like any other course you've ever taken. This course is interactive. Yes, there are templates and little quizzes to test your knowledge as you go, but the most interactive tool you will have and hopefully use is the big community of wardrobe wizards. They are kind, experienced women just like you and I. They love helping out whenever you need it. So don't be shy and interact and be kind to other students in return. And you will find out that knowledge gains clarity when exposed to multiple minds. This course is a journey, and every student or wardrobe wizard, as I'd like to call them, is on their own journey to transform their wardrobe into a fully interchangeable and sustainable one. On this journey you will meet people that have just started the course and people that are taking the course again. Their wardrobe change because their lives undergo constant change, and that's why this is a journey. And my hope is that with this new knowledge at your disposal, you will take your journey towards a better wardrobe, and that along your journey you will meet like-minded people. This course is about asking questions. You will be exposed to a lot of new concepts and new tools at your own pace, but depending on your eagerness to learn, it might feel a little overwhelming sometimes. But that's okay. Experiment, ask questions, because there is no final exam, no diploma, and we are proud to say that. We all have our own fears when it comes to personal image, but this course is a safe space where you will see that all of us go through the same issues. And most importantly, help others if you see they seek answers, because that's how you will learn even more, by solving other people's problems. And of course, as any new student, I'm present in the classroom, participating in daily debates, exercises, and providing personal advice whenever it's needed. I can't wait to see how your wardrobe and your personal image change in the upcoming weeks and months. Have a look at what other students have created, get inspired, and inspire others with this new knowledge you are about to gain. Welcome to your new Wonder Wardrobe.